Time is passing quickly, and Samsung's upcoming flagship family, the Galaxy S26, will be available as early as 2026. According to rumors, all three of the new models are thinner than the ones that came before them. Similar allegations have been made before, but we now have some hard data to back them up. According to the most recent leak, the three flagship models will reportedly lose a few millimeters. The objective is to get closer to the first ultra-thin Galaxy S phone, the Galaxy S25 Edge. The Galaxy S26 Pro, which currently takes the place of the base model, is only 6.7 millimeters thick, according to an insider. At 7.2 millimeters, it is 0.5 millimeters thinner than the Galaxy S25 from this year. The Galaxy S26 Edge goes one step further, measuring only 5.5 millimeters as opposed to 5.8 millimeters for the S25 Edge. This is in spite of the battery's increased capacity from 3,900 to 4,200 mAh, and there have also been rumors of a move to silicon-carbon batteries. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is now only 7.8 millimeters in size, likewise falls below 8 millimeters. Recall that the thickness of the S24 Ultra is 8.6 millimeters, whereas that of the S25 Ultra is 8.2 millimeters. According to our insider, Samsung is unable to reduce the phone's thickness because of the integrated S Pen unless the stylus attachment is made thinner, which is impractical. This implies that future Ultra models might forego the stylus entirely or instead use an external S Pen, like the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The final dimensions may differ somewhat from these figures, which are based on the most recent internal prototypes of the Galaxy S26 Trio. They are anticipated to stay at the same ballpark, though. The thinner constructions demonstrate Samsung's ongoing efforts to improve its design language while striking a balance between durability and battery capacity. As construction continues, more information should become available in the upcoming months. Early in 2026, the phone will be released. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.